Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to reinstall Google Chrome on Windows 11. Firstly click on Start, then Settings, then click on Apps. Now in here click on Installed Apps. Now type here Chrome. Now click on these three dots and click on Uninstall. This app and its related info will be uninstalled. So if you are sure, click on Uninstall. After uninstall, restart your PC or laptop, and after restart open any web browser, then type here Google Chrome, open it, open this first link, Google Chrome web browser. Now click on download Chrome and just follow 3 steps. Open that .exe file, and if you see this option, so click on install anyway and install. So like this guys, you can reinstall Google Chrome in your Windows PC or laptop. Thanks for watching.